Are you thinking about painting your kitchen cabinet? Here are 5 of the most common mistakes that you should avoid.
Mistake number 1.
You didn't hire a professional. I'm kidding, but seriously. Painting kitchen cabinets is very labor intensive and you really should know what you're getting yourself into. So let's try this again.
Mistake number 1.
You didn't clean your kitchen cabinets right. No primer is going to stick to dirty cabinets, so you really have to clean them good. One of my favorite products is Crud Cutter. You could also use TSP if you want.
Mistake number 2.
You're not sure of what type of cabinets you have. Knowing what type of cabinets you have will decide what type of primer you should use. For example, if you have cherry wood, then your best option is probably an oil-based primer or maybe even a shellac-based primer. The same goes for oak cabinets. But if you have laminate or formica cabinets, your best option is going to be this primer. It's a water-based primer and way easier to work with than an oil-based primer.
Mistake number 3.
You didn't sand before priming. You should always sand your cabinet before you prime and between each and every coat. My preferred sandpaper is a 220 grit.
Mistake number 4.
You're not using a good quality brush or roller. Invest in a good paintbrush and some mohair rollers to get the best finish possible.
Mistake number 5.
You're not using the right paint. When you're looking for what type of paint to buy, I suggest you look for Urethane Alkyd Enamel. It's a water-based product which is very user-friendly and perfect for the DIY. And although it's a water-based product, it acts just like an oil-based paint, it levels out and is very durable. Hey, if you liked the video, follow us for more DIY home improvement tips and tricks.